This is very big. Very happy. Send. Kevin, send.
Yeah.
Hello, my name is André. I'm the managing director, founder of the Opus Alvarari, a luxury desert resort located in Qatar at the Inland Sea Nature Reserve. And I'm here today at Blue Sun to inspect our BESS system. We ordered a microgrid hybrid solar system from Blue Sun for our hotel in Qatar, and I'm very impressed about the quality. Very happy to be here, and today we do testing commissioning. Everything is going by plan, and I'm looking forward to receive the container in Qatar.
It's for the. This is the controller.
We'll come here first. Data cable for controller.
We can put inside the container.
This is communication cable.
Test the battery itself. Also, we connect all the cables bypass.
The Blue Sun container is the best system.
Air conditioner and also firefighter. We can work with many other brands. This is 300. To 28 do a lot of most of market. This is an inverter, this is a battery.
And each one is how much inside AC, right?
30-50 is the best.